guys, this is Anna from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be answering a grade 8 Natural Sciences Life and Living question taken from the Herzia Middle School November 2015 exam paper. So let's have a look. This question is asking us for the causal agent of malaria. The question reads, malaria is a disease caused by and the options are A, virus, B, protist, C, bacterium, or D, fungus. Okay, we know that malaria is not caused by a fungus, it's not caused by a bacterium either, neither is it caused by a virus. So this leaves the answer protist. Malaria is caused by a parasite from the Plasmodium species, and which falls under the kingdom Protista. So therefore our answer here, malaria is a disease caused by a protist. Okay, so that's that for this question. But before I go, I'd like to say a very big thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Please read about them in the description below. Also, don't forget that you can head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. And if you can't find the answer to your question, send us your question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.